Alright, what's good guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yo, are you ready for another custom? Because I am. Like I said in my last video, I'm going to finish this pair of shoe. I wore this before, it's kind of worn out, but after cleaning it and everything, I feel like this needs a little bit of a makeover. I have a design in mind and I just want this pair of shoe to be a little bit more simple, you know, some kind of color that goes well with your everyday clothing. But to be honest, like, where can I wear this shoe? Like, I can't even go outside. Yeah, well, let's get started. So this is the before. Take a good look at how ugly and nasty this is, right? And where's the other shoe? And this one too, look at it. Oh my god. Okay, so now that both shoes are painted, I'm going to, you know, paint this black, the insides black as well, so that it looks, you know, much better. How I'm going to do it is, I'm going to use this. It's called GAC 900 black paint. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at that first. Don't want it to be too runny. And before you start painting on your shoe, you want to test out how runny the paint is. If it's too runny, you can add a little bit more black paint. Yo, my hair is way too long. I think the last time I got a haircut was like 2 months ago. Let me know if I should get a haircut or not, you know? I don't know, I'd be kinda shy, grow into like a man bun. I don't know, let me know. So basically I took my really worn out sneaker, cleaned it, and now, you know, repaint it. Now it's like new, you know? It's basically like new. So, you guys stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe if you haven't, like this video if you like it. Oops, sorry for pointing. You know, pointing is rude. Find me on Instagram for some clearer shots of these shoes and my other customs. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Why am I pointing? Goddamn. Well, see you guys in the next video. So, peace out. Cool. Okay.